Hello and welcome back to the channel. So we are done with the structure of this building, and I just want to give you guys a quick tour, a quick one. We still have to fix the roofing sheets. That's the next stage, and then maybe we go for the plastering and the electrical works. So stay tuned. I'll keep you guys updated. I'm really excited for today's episode to show you around. So come with me. Let's go for a walk. So this is the outside of the building. It's actually 5 bedrooms. We have 1 bedroom downstairs and then 4 upstairs. We have the guest room is downstairs, which is right here. So I'll show you. This is the porch. Right here is the front porch facing the front of the house. So this is your view from the porch. So this is the main entrance. This is the main entrance. I think it's almost like 2 meters. 2 meters the entrance, or 1.5, I don't know, I think. So if you walk inside of the house, you have, I think, the guest living room, or let me say as a family room, like a guest family room. You have that here. And then ahead is the living room here, but before that, let's go to the first guest room. So this is the side of the first guest room. So if you are here, you have the view of the compound or outside. You can see outside, and then you have another windows here which gives you the view of the carport. This is the carport, and also you have the view of the compound as well. So you have 2 windows here. This is the size of the room. I actually don't know the size of the room, but I think it's quite spacious for a guest room, and it's really nice. And then here you have the washroom, I think the toilet, and then the shower. Okay, so let's go out of the guest room. Again, this is the family room. I'll say the family area, or you can use this for a game room as well. So then on my right hand side, beside the family room, you have an office, I think. You can also decide to use it for whatever you want, but it's designed to be an office, I believe. And then yeah, you have a space where you can keep, maybe you can put your electricals here or something, I really don't know. But yeah, that's it. And then you have the staircase going to the 2nd floor, which will go in a minute. So if you are here, this is the entrance again. And here, I think you have the guest toilet. This is for the guest toilet. You have another space here which goes to the carport and also goes outside of the house. So you have a lot of exit in this house. I think it's really nice design, 5 bedrooms. So this is your living area. This living area consists of the kitchen as well. So it is an open concept. So you have your kitchen here, and you have your pantry over there. So so your kitchen is set up here, and then I believe you have your couch here, and then you have your television, you have your view, also spacious. It's very open concept. It's really nice. This is the staircase. This is the living room, and yeah, we also have an exit here. Maybe yeah, you want to just have. We have another porch here. Another porch here, which is at the back of the house. So if you want some privacy, just with your friends to have some drink, also you can just relax here. Instead of being in front of the house, you can also relax here and just chill out. So we are back in the kitchen concept, and then the living room. Okay, so let's go. Oh, sorry. This is the pantry. We have the pantry. So this is the size of the pantry. So let's go to the 1st floor. So this staircase leads to the 1st floor. We also have another staircase here, which also leads to the corridor upstairs. So we have 2 staircases in the house, for the house. This is really nice design, spiral staircase, hanging one. We'll go there later, but now let's go to the 1st floor. So think here you have a glass which brings more light to the house. It's going to be a glass. So it's also reflected here. So you have a ton of light coming into the house. So just from here you can see the number of windows, how open your living room is, and an extra light, natural light coming into your house. On top of us, we have where you have the water tank. This is designed because they put a water tank on top of it. So yeah, that is it. So here we are on the second floor. Please forgive me of the noise and how the place looks. We are still at the construction site. We are still constructing. So I'll give you guys another tour when everything is done and clean. So yeah, this is it. We still have to fix the roof. So that's the next stage. So here you have the walking way. So this is actually the master bedroom. So when you come up from the first floor, here you have your entrance to the master bedroom. We'll see it later for the last. And here you have 3 bedrooms, I believe, or 2. But yeah, you have 3 bedrooms here. So here is going to be something to keep lining, to keep some stuff, extra stuff for the house. It's going to be like a wardrobe where you can keep extra towels or stuff for the guest. Straight ahead of us, we have another balcony of the house. This house has a lot of balconies, man. This house, I think, is more like an entertainment family house. So the first room upstairs is this, which shares the toilet, bath with the other room here. So it's like the Chuck and Jill. So this is it. This is the space for the toilet and bath. And here you come to the next room. This room also has a very beautiful view. I really wish you can have a feel of the fresh wind coming into this house. The window size is also really huge. It's really nice window size. You have 2 as well, so it's really nice. Yeah, and here you have, this is the view. This is the view you're gonna get when you are here. So you can see the compound. You can also see this beautiful pillar also here. So this is it for this room. So it's 2 bedrooms. So we are out of the second bedroom. The first bedroom, the entrance is here. And this is the second bedroom. So let's go to the third bedroom. So this is the third bedroom. Again, another view. So here you also have quite a space of windows, and then here you have another view here. This house is really with the views, man. And then second window. Also you have a view here. So this is the third bedroom. Let's check the toilet. So this is the toilet. I don't really know how it was designed, but I think you have the toilet here, and then you have, I think the basin will be here or something, and then you have the shower also here, or you have your closet, another closet here. So this is the bedroom 3. So let's go to the master bedroom. But before we go to the master bedroom, I want us to check out another balcony. So this is another balcony. I think this will be the entrance here. This is going to be the entrance of the balcony. Yeah, which I believe also brings a lot of wind and fresh wind and light to the second floor, because it goes straight, to the master bedroom, and it goes to the rooms as well. So it's really beautiful to have this view. So this is a little balcony, I believe, for the guest rooms. I believe so, because the master bedroom also has its own balcony, and then they have another public balcony for like guests. So this is really crazy, man. So this is it. This is the view you get from this balcony. Sorry for the noise. So this is it. You have fresh wind just coming into the house. So it's really okay. So let's go into the master bedroom. So getting into the master bedroom, this is the space you have. How many windows do we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4. Whoa, 4 windows for the master bedroom only, man. 4 windows for the master bedroom. So this is the size of the master bedroom. And here you have the walk-in closet and the toilet and bath, which you will see later. So this is the size of the master bedroom. It has its own balcony. So let's say during the daytime, if you open this door, you have another fresh wind coming into the house. Whoa, this is really crazy, man. This design is really crazy. Okay, so let's go to the toilet and bath. So I don't see any pipes here, so I believe this is a closet. I said, yeah, how do you call it? I forgot the name. Yeah, walk-in closet. Yeah, walk-in closet. So this is the walk-in closet, and that's the ceiling high. It's really high. So this is the walk-in closet, and here also, I also don't see any pipes. So I believe this is also a closet. So I think this is for her, of course, because of the size, and this is for him, or it can also be hers, and then half of it is for hers, and then for him. Yeah. Okay, so you have 2 closets, and then you have the bathroom. So I think we have a pipe here, and then another pipe here. So, and this is also a pipe. So I believe you have your shower, and then you have your toilet and bath, I think. A bathtub, I believe. So this is the size. This is the size of the bathroom for the master bedroom. So now let's go straight to the balcony of the house. So this is the balcony, and again, man, another view. You just can't escape the view of this place, man. This is the view you get, man. Another view, man. This is the size of your balcony. It's really private because this is your compound, so you can just sit here at night, have some drink, or just have fun with your partner. It's really nice. So this is the view. The house is full of views, man, and spacious. It's a really open house, man. The house is really open. There's no way you're gonna feel warm in this house, man, because you have so many windows coming in, so many wind coming into the house. So now let me show you one thing. Now I'll take you guys downstairs, and then we go to the public balcony right there, or terrace, public balcony. Yeah, the only way you can get to the public balcony or the public terrace is through the house, you have to get out of the house first before you can get into the. Let's go downstairs, and then let's go check it out. So once again, this is the corridor, and then we're going downstairs. Okay, so again, your open living room. So this is the entrance or the exit to the carport. So this is where you have your carport. I think your gate will be here, so you just drive in your carport. But I was thinking you can use this place as, I don't know, just another place to just chill, because you have this spiral staircase. Later on, we're going to take all this wood out. All this wood goes out, and then it's hanging. So you're going to see the design, the way it looks now, it's going to hang. There's nothing holding it, it's just hanging. is this for? This is going to be like a carport, and also I think there's going to be a swimming pool right here. So let's go to the public balcony or terrace. It's really nice. Going upstairs. Sorry, there's still construction going on. I just decided to make this video for you guys today because I don't know when I'll be coming back here when everything is complete, because I also have to focus on my project. So yeah, so here you have your public balcony, and again, the view, there's nothing distracting you. Everything is open concept. You have fresh wind coming in, and this is the design of the staircase. Yeah. So this is it. So this is where you have your mini parties, and this has there is no connection from here to the main house. So this is just like a public thing. Like you can't get into the house from here. You have to go downstairs and then walk in. So this is it. Yeah. Again, the view for me is more important because you don't have to build a box for yourself and just be hiding in there. You need to get some view, you know. Yeah, this is beautiful. This is it. Alright, so let's go downstairs and let's check the whole house. Let's check the view of the house. Here you have the staircase. And yeah, there from here you go to your compound, and this is going to be the compound. Yeah, so this is it, guys. This is the house. Yeah, the carports I was thinking should be something else. I don't know, maybe because of the design of the spiral staircase, it really gives it a design, a really nice art. So I believe it should be an entertainment room, maybe to watch football games outside, or a pool table, you know, a place you can play your cards, an open place, and then the top is going to be where, you know, you have the drinks and the view. So I don't know, but that is his design. He wants to use it as a carport, because you know the compound is big. You can park one car here, you can also park another car there, you can park about 2 cars. Let me say, because this is going to be the wall, so you can park about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, I think 6 cars here. You can park 6 cars on this compound. So, or maybe, yeah, he has a really posh fancy car to put it right there in the glass. Maybe it's also possible. Okay, so I have a question for you guys. I would like to know how much you think this house will cost when it's finished. I mean with the plastering and with the plastering and the roofing. No, and maybe the electricals done. Just simple, no furniture, nothing in there. How much do you think it will cost on the market? Just curious, you know. And the owner is also watching, so maybe if you come up with a good price, maybe you might have it. You never know. So please let me know. Thanks for watching. So this is it, guys. Thanks for staying with me to the end of this video. I hope you had fun the same way I did.
Yaro when you are shiro, and that yes, I will for video now. Subscribe it. Subscribe.
I'll come back when the plastering is done and the electrics are done and the roofing is also fixed. Then we can have a look again, and maybe I'll go through the plan and I'll tell you if there's something which is missing. Then I'll tell you guys. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Let's do it.